In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Tremendous Visa card. So when you redeem a Tremendous reward, one of the options you might get is prepaid Visa card. So this works just like a regular debit card, and you can use it both online and in stores as long as Visa is accepted, which is practically everywhere. So the great thing about it is that you don't need a physical card in most cases. A Tremendous will give you the digital details so you can start using it right away. So here's how it works. So listen carefully as I explain each step since I won't be showing the internal procedure since it requires some verification and restrictions. So after you redeem your reward and choose the Visa option, Tremendous will display the card information. So this includes the 6 digits, card number, the expiration date, and the CVV security code. These are the same details you'd normally find on a physical Visa card, but here you'll see them on your redemption screen or in your email. So if you're shopping online, simply enter those details at the checkout just like you would with any debit or credit card. So the amount will be deducted from your card balance. If you want to use it in store, some versions of the Tremendous Visa card can be added to a mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. So you can tap to pay at the counter. So one thing to remember is that this is a prepaid card. So it only has the balance that was sent to you, so it won't reload automatically and it will stop working once the funds are used up. So to avoid any issues, make sure your purchase total doesn't exceed the card balance unless the store allows split payments. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.